So we're going to try out maybe building our own game. Completely original idea that we had. We're thinking of doing like a game where you're actually, as the player of the game, writing Python code and controlling some little avatar thing. Thought that'd be really cool.
We're copying
an original idea.
The Farmer Was Replaced.
We're copying The Farmer Was Replaced with our little game idea here. And because we're not real software engineers, I mean, we're real software engineers, but we're not good software engineers. We actually have Cursor here. We got an AI agent, and we're going to have this thing try to build this game for us.
We're expecting it to be fully churned out in 5 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, I mean, with the help of Cursor, this shouldn't take very long at all. But yeah, you've never actually used Cursor, so like, I was curious, what do you like? How easy do you think this will be? Like, do you think it'll actually work?
Of course not. I don't think it's gonna. I mean, I think it might help us a little bit.
Yeah.
But
do you think like through just prompts we can at least get Cursor to like build a game that has like the built-in like code editing tool where you can click run and it like controls a sprite? Like, do you think Cursor can get that far?
With us prompting it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or I don't even know how Cursor works. Like, you have to prompt it, or
there's like a chatbot that we're working with, and it
it just shows like you give a prompt and then it generates the code.
It'll generate the code
Does
for
it
us.
help run the code or no?
It can do that also. Yeah, it can like test the code and stuff. From my experience with Cursor, I feel like with a few prompts back and forth, we could actually get it to build an app that's like that. Like where it has the UI and the built-in editor, and like you can run the code. Like I'm kind of confident that it can do it, but
because I just remember, right? We made like the wheel of crops.
Yeah.
And like
yeah.
half of the slots in that wheel had nothing in them.
True. Yeah.
We didn't try very hard on that.
We didn't try super hard. We did like one prompt and we
that wasn't Cursor.
It wasn't Cursor either. But
well,
I mean, Cursor does like, it just takes advantage of like the GPT model or like the Claude model and stuff. So
let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's try it out. So I'm thinking for the first prompt, let's describe what we want, which is like a very simple game window.
Okay.
I want the editor in there. I feel like that's the most important part.
Okay.
Editor that can run simple code, and maybe we just have simple commands like the farmer game where it's like move, like right, left or something. Maybe just like move right, move left. Those are the only two commands that it can do right now.
Commands being like what the gamer can write in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did test this a little bit. It doesn't have access to the internet. So like I probably can't say I want to build a game like The Farmer Was Replaced.
Oh.
Unless that's like, I mean, AI models are so big, like maybe they actually know what that is.
Probably.
Moving up, down, left, or right along a 10 by 10 grid. We're just fully copying the farming game at this point.
The grid?
Okay. It's going to be a grid also for now. I don't know. I just want something that has code controlling a sprite.
Yeah.
10 by 10. The sprite should move when code is executed. I have no idea if this is gonna...
How about, do we want to give it more information, like keep track of the time?
I feel like that's too complex to start. We can build on top of it after that. This is just like a window with an editor executing code to control something. I think even that is kind of ambitious.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see what it does. All right.
Uh-oh.
Pygame not found. Oh.
So it's gonna fix that, right?
Yeah, it's gonna fix that.
So it asks for confirmation before...
I mean, I think I can configure this to just not ask for confirmation, but I'd rather it... Okay, what is going on here? It keeps failing to run because it's missing a bunch of Python packages. I'm just gonna let it keep going.
No module named Pygame. It's really struggling on Pygame now.
It's struggling on this here. It's really struggling on this dependency here.
It doesn't seem that difficult.
It's struggling.
No module named Pygame.
Pretty early on.
Who knows if is it actually using the right environment?
Let's see.
Oh, there we go. There's a grid.
This is something, yeah.
Write Python code. Oh, this is the code editor. Here's our red sprite.
Oh, it moved. It's moving. That's pretty good. Fully functional, ready to use.
The game is now fully functional and ready to use.
Yeah. Let's see that again, how fully functional this was.
Maybe just have it go left only now.
Yeah. Just... Nice.
Pretty impressive though. It is running this Python code. Huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's working. Okay, good start.
So what do we want to fix? When the ball goes...
I'm just going to say, like, the ball isn't actually inside the grid when it's moving.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it did fix that.
Oh, cool. So if I move right, like all the way to the right, is that going to work now? Nice.
Instead of a black and white grid, let's make this an immersive asteroid environment.
Ooh, nice. You could add ask it to add a sleep function or something in case is what we have.
Oh, yeah.
Or it could do each step slowly.
Yeah,
instead of
that's
fast,
the
right?
main thing. Yeah. All right, let's see what it does with this immersive asteroid mining game. We are software engineers.
We are.
Do you want to run this command?
Yes.
Run.
Yeah. Nice.
So they added 220 lines and removed 69 lines from game.py. That sounds good, right?
It does. Make this all bigger.
Our goal is to never open game.py.
I'm zoom in on this.
We should never look at the code in game.py.
No, yeah, we're never actually gonna look at the code. Whoa, look at this.
Immersive.
This is immersive.
That's definitely an asteroid.
That's moving slowly too.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's very nice. Execute mining code.
It just changes random things.
Pretty cool. That became super immersive too.
Yeah, it
that
did.
was crazy.
What happened? You expanded this a bunch?
Yeah, because I mean we don't need this.
No, we don't care about the code.
That's just code. That's not what we're working with. We're working with a chatbot here.
Well, now that it's immersive, I don't know what else we want to do.
It's super immersive. I would like it to look a little better though, right?
Really? Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to try to make it so that this game looks a little nicer. I don't know how well Cursor will be able to do changing the looks, but the grid pattern is still visible. Should look like one massive rock. Oh, that looks awful. What happened there? This one seamless rock surface. I don't know about that. Nice. That's much better. I feel like this is a good spot to be where we've got the rock, it looks like there's space on top, and we have the ability to move around and dig. This is pretty good. So yeah, we've got the asteroid surface here, all the rock down below, and we've got the ability to execute code that moves it around. Pretty cool. I mean, that's a basic starting point here. So we thought, let's just add a few more features to this. So we added a prompt here for Cursor. Instead of a 10 by 10 grid, let's make this 50 by 50. We're gonna add diamonds randomly placed throughout the grid. When the robot moves over a diamond, it updates the counter on the top right of the total inventory. So we want Cursor to think of at least 2 other resource types that can be collected with special collection methods of their choosing. The robot has a fixed amount of time to go around the 50 by 50 area and collect as many resources as possible, optimizing for resource market value. That's the player's goal. The robot must return back to Earth within that fixed amount of time, or else the game player has some bad score or something like that. That's right, we want something bad to happen. There needs to be an awesome animation showing the robot returning to Earth. Something really
That's
cool.
That's a big part.
Like
it's
a
very
rocket
satisfying.
launching, some realistic smoke and flames coming out of the rocket. Of course, feel free to add. Yeah, this is where we give Cursor a lot of freedom to add other functionality, other than the Move API. And we do want to reinforce that this game is for people learning how to use Python 3. And another quick little feature we wanted to do is to make an unlock tree where the player initially starts playing the game. They don't have access to some of the features. Oh my god, our spelling is terrible.
Cursor can...
Cursor will
typos,
be able to understand all that. For example, later in the game, players can purchase a better drill, assuming the drill is part of the game.
That's up to Cursor.
That's
also.
up to Cursor, yeah. So they can mine resources faster with this better drill. Think of some cool unlocks, Go wild with that, Cursor. If you'd like, one of these unlockable features could be portals.
Little just nudging.
Eric was kind of asking around, what is a game that we like to play. And Portal is a game we used to love playing when we were younger, you know, like the co-op Portal, jumping around the portals and all that stuff. So like,
it'd be really cool if our miner was just jumping around the asteroid with portals.
It'd be really cool if we had some portals
in a 3D immersive environment.
Yeah, we won't say 3D immersive yet, but that might be the next prompt that we go with.
Yeah, it will be, definitely.
And I also like said, you know, why limit to ourselves 50 by 50? If it needs to be larger, it can be larger. Special resource unlocks could involve finding alien life, like plants and bacteria, or other life forms that we can't even yet comprehend. So we'll throw this in here and let it get to work. Oh, is it done? No, it's still going. Oh, it's running it though.
Oh, Araya's got a hit, so
okay.
It's still.
It said great, the game is running, but I can see that when I tried to run it, it had a ton of errors.
Let me also create a comprehensive reading.
Okay, so this is a cool thing that Cursor can do here. I can just take this error, paste. All right. See what it finds here.
I see the issue. Oh. Okay.
Same thing. It said it's testing the game. It had like an attribute error, and it says perfect. The game's now running without errors. Let's try it out though.
The code looks fine around line 173.
Great, the game's not running.
It's gonna work.
Oh man, Cursor. He's struggling.
Did it change? Did it make the change? Can you extend that? I want to see if it actually changed that.
Oh, hey.
Oh, nice. There's all the resources.
Look at this. Okay, wait, what do we got here? We've got diamonds, we've got gold, we've got alien life, research, and a drill level.
So the drill is part of this.
It's kind of like a... Let's just execute this and see what it does. Oh no, resources not defined.
Yeah, they're twinkling.
Yeah, so we made a few more requests to Cursor, and now it's running code. And these little gems, some of them are sparkling. I don't know if that's the diamonds or the alien life. Yellow's gold, light blue's diamond, sparkling. That might be like, we're gonna unlock this later.
Oh yeah, it could be. Where's the unlock tree?
I'm just gonna keep collecting stuff for now.
Yeah.
Until time runs out.
We want to get as much market value as possible.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna get that diamond there. That gold. I think this isn't how it's intended to play, right?
Yeah, definitely.
At first, until you learn how to code.
Definitely.
Those twinkles are a mystery. We gotta upgrade our drill in order to get those.
I wonder what happens when it goes to 0 seconds. Let's see.
Yeah, something crazy. Here it is, 0 seconds.
Time's up, return to Earth.
Cool.
Where's the animation again?
We did ask for a really cool animation, didn't we? Things are looking great. However, when time runs out, nothing happens. There should be an option to purchase upgrades from the upgrade tree, which I'm sure it's in the code somewhere.
I'm sure.
It just isn't displaying it. Okay, 12 seconds. Let's move. Get some. Okay, we got a diamond. At least we got one item.
Try to get a research. There's not enough.
There's no way. Yeah. I got 2 diamonds. Okay, so time's up. What happens now? Ooh,
upgrade menu. Better drill.
So it's all research points.
We need research points.
That didn't factor in diamonds or gold at all.
Press 1 to 3 to purchase upgrades.
Of course.
Affordable.
Affordable. Okay, so if I click 3. We got the research lab. We got a research lab. What does that do? I bet you that gets us like more research for each alien life. 1. Rename portals to wormholes.
Earlier we mentioned that just see an awesome animation of the robot returning to Earth once the time is up. Unfortunately, that has not been implemented yet. Okay. Thank you. Let's see.
Yeah, so likely what it's going to do is it's going to like convert this 2D visual into like a 3-dimensional thing. It's gonna pan out. You guys see
Most likely, I'm sure. Yeah.
circular asteroid, and I think the rocket's gonna like fly at the camera. You're gonna see the streak of smoke go by the camera as it flies
Definitely.
away. Just want to get one more diamond. Oh! Look at that!
Mission complete.
That was pretty cool.
That was really cool.
That was pretty nice.
That's good enough, right?
That was great, yeah.
Wow. Oh, time's up.
Nice.
The Sprite is in there.
Was it actually?
Yeah.
That's really good. That's great. And it's affordable.
It's affordable.
Better Drill doesn't do anything yet, but it will soon. I'm gonna ask Cursor, what is the optimal strategy to winning this game? Strategic priorities: money versus research points. Focus on diamonds for money early game, and then you want to focus on diamonds and alien life, and then late game you want to prioritize alien life.
Right.
Pretty good. As if any of that matters right now. What's our goal next time? So right now we got just like this like down movement of the mining bot along the asteroid, collecting money with these upgrades that don't do anything. The next thing to like actually, so the way I kind of envisioned this was like before the time even starts, you just have one script that has to run, right?
Yeah.
You can't be like executing over and over a different script. So like there's a different stage in the game loop where it's like prepare your robot code.
Right, when you're on the Earth.
On
like,
the Earth, you're like preparing your robot code.
We have an animation where you go from Earth to the asteroid.
Sure, maybe, yeah. So you prepare the code. Once your code's done, you like commit that code. Then you have the animation for the rocket going to the planet or the asteroid. And then your robot does whatever it's supposed to do based on your code. And hopefully it collects a lot of stuff so you can upgrade. But if not, you gotta try again. Like that's kind of how I picture it. So
Yeah.
maybe that's the next step.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Thanks for sticking around.